Let's take a look at command line basics, using less to view text files. When working at the command line, it is likely that you will commonly want to view the contents of various files you were working with. There are a number of programs you can use to accomplish this goal. One of the most widely used programs for viewing text files is less. Like many programs you will encounter, the name less is a play on words. Less was developed as a more fully featured replacement for an earlier text viewing application whose name was more. Less can be used to view the contents of text files. Notice that unlike on Windows, on Linux, file extensions such as .md, .txt, .zip, and .py are not meaningful. Even though readme.md has an extension, it is still a plain text file and can be opened by less. Less can be navigated, page up and page down, using various key shortcuts, including space to page forward and B to move backwards. To exit less, press Q. Less has lots of options. One helpful option is the display of line numbers. This option can be enabled with the -N flag. Notice that if necessary, less will wrap lines if the line is too wide to be viewed on the current display. Line 10 in this file begins here, but continues through here. This line is marked as line 10 throughout. Let's take a look at some other files. Here is George Washington's inaugural address. And here is Johnson's. And here is Obama's. The text files don't have to be in English. Less is capable of displaying text in other languages. For example, here's a Swadesh list for Russian. Less can also open more than one file at a time. When using less to view multiple files, the command :n is used to navigate to the next file. And the command :p is used to navigate to the previous file. Less is one of the most commonly used programs you will encounter when using the command line. It is well worth your while to learn how to use it and to learn some of its more commonly used shortcuts. This work was created by Lane Schwartz. You are free to reproduce and adapt this work under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 4.0 International License.